a very important concept related to BPC first year and second year students. That is on zoology concept, skeletal muscle. So first year students will be reading this concept in second chapter, structural organization. In that, tissues concept, four types of tissues: epithelial, muscle, connective as well as nervous tissue. Under muscle tissue you will read this concept. For second year students, muscle concept, skeletal and muscle concept. Under muscle concept, this concept is very useful. There are four short answers related to muscle concept for second year students. So definitely one question will be pakka in final exam. So that may be contractile protein or muscle contraction or skeletal muscle structure. So without knowing skeletal muscle structure, it is very hard to observe the mechanism of muscle contraction, or it is also useful for the first year students to read the skeletal muscle structure. Okay students, అర్థమైంది కదా ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్స్ అండ్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ కి చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. So the concept is structure of skeletal muscle. Without late, let us enter into the concept. So Miku first year BPC and almost biology students, 10th as well as intermediate students, these videos are very useful. If you like videos, just share to your friends and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to watch till end of the video. So now let us enter into the concept, that is skeletal muscle structure. So first of all, let me give you the basic introduction regarding the muscles. So what are muscles? They are mesodermal in origin, and this muscle, study of muscles is myology. Next, what are the basic functions of muscles are? Three functions. They perform excitability, contractility as well as relaxation. And this muscles also helps us in a locomotion and movement as well as to maintain our body posture. They plays a very vital role. And adult human body, if we observe, approximately 45 to 50% of the body weight. So body consists of these muscles. So without delay, let us enter into the skeletal muscle concept. So if we observe the skeletal muscle, it consists of inside a number of muscle bundles called as fascicles. So these fascicles consisting of a number of muscle fibers, a cylindrical muscle fibers, and these muscle fibers are connected with or surrounded with connective tissue sheath called endomysium. This fascicle surrounds with perimysium. So this entire many fascicles, a group of fascicles are covered with the epimysium. Okay students, little confusion, what are these and all. So total skeletal muscle consisting of number of muscle bundles called as fascicles. So each fascicle surrounded by perimysium. Fascicle consisting of inside number of muscle fibers. These muscle fibers are, so these red dots are muscle fibers. They connected with the endomysium, connective tissue sheath called endomysium. Fascicle surrounds with perimysium, and here a number of these fascicles are connected or covered with the outer connective sheath called epimysium. Inner endo fascicle covers with the perimysium, and these all fascicles are covered with epimysium. So the end of this skeletal muscle connects to bone at the place with a tendon. So up to this is the skeletal muscle structure. Now here observe, here it is the muscle fiber. So identi ante muscle fiber ultra structure. So inner structure of muscle fiber is this. Okay students, so this is useful to first year students. It is very important short answer. Write a short note on the structure of skeletal muscle. Okay, now let us see the muscle fiber internal structure. It covers with a plasma lemma or plasma membrane. It is called as sarcolemma. So muscle స్ట్రక్చర్కి వచ్చేసరికి మనం సార్కో వి షుడ్ యాడ్ ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ కామన్ name we should add sarco. For mitochondria's sarcosomes. So inside it the plasma lemma inside it covers with the inside it consists of sarcoplasm. Cytoplasm as sarcoplasm. So inside mitochondria as sarcosomes, and then endoplasmic reticulum as sarcoplasmic reticulum. So here sarcoplasmic reticulum plays a vital role and it acts as a storage house of calcium ions. Why calcium ions are useful? They plays a vital role in the muscle contraction. The muscle contraction mechanism and structure of these myofibrils, we will see the sarcoplasmic reticulum function. And this muscle fiber consisting of number of large number of parallelly arranged myofibrils or myofilaments, and we can observe the syncytium in the muscle cells. So that means what? Syncytium in the sense as it is formed by the embryonic mononucleate myoblast cells. So students, this is the ultrastructure of muscle fiber. This is the structure of skeletal muscle. Without having this idea, the learning of chapter muscle concept is very hard. So everybody watch this video till end. So then you will be getting an idea of muscle structure, skeletal muscle structure, as well as muscle fiber structure. Okay students, if you like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you.